A couple of years prior, digital currency probably implied some off-putting or hidden world banking or financial term to individuals including obscure dealers. However, today the whole situation has seen a change in perspective. As a matter of fact, in actuality, it is the fiat framework whose roots are shaken in pandemic unfit to endure a downturn. Laid out through mining, these computerized monetary forms are picking up speed and appear to be enduring all recessionary money-related storms. Basically, cryptographic money is a totally decentralized cash chiefly founded on a blockchain calculation. That blockchain organization will affirm and confirm all new sections into the record and any progressions to it. Among the four driving cryptographic forms of money viz. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether likewise include Near Protocol as an overwhelming player. Close to protocol cryptocurrency, let's near the roots. The hardy arrangements presented by Near are the result of the minds and work of a portion of the main tech and organization specialists who have loaned their extraordinary commitment to these wonderful administrations. Made by engineers Alex Kidanov and Ilya Polosykhin, both of whom have broad involvement with programming. They made the convention basically as foundation for innovation to have decentralized applications, dapps. It is no big surprise that it stands contrasted with crypto Goliaths like Ethereum and other driving savvy contract-empowered blockchains. Close to protocol's local token is likewise called Near and is utilized to pay for exchange charges and capacity. Wiping out siloed network opens the genuine capability of a whole biological system of novel installment passages that are quick, secure, and minimal expense. Tailor-made of a legacy and values which are established on the structure of more noteworthy monetary reasonableness and a chance for all through exploration, instruction, and generosity. Close to protocol, nearing the advantages. The focal point of Near Protocol has been to satisfy developing consumer needs by opening the force of blockchain and find success in radically speeding up the speed, cost, and dependability of masses, particularly in the manner in which they execute exchanges. Close to convention has likewise fundamentally disintegrated the job of delegates by welcoming all monetary arrangements on a decentralized foundation. With a plenty of contributions, a Near coin is a conspicuous election of financial backers because of high velocity, cost productivity, and constancy guarantee. Close to convention, as it were, can be known as an equivalent to facilitator of brilliant agreement and public proof of stake, POS, blockchain with an outlook to be easy to use consolidating highlights like comprehensible record names rather than just cryptographic wallet addresses and the capacity for new clients to communicate with dapps and shrewd agreements without requiring a wallet by any means. With a completely unique way to deal with versatility through sharding, Near Protocol has been an answer supplier by handling, discussing, approving, and finishing exchanges to different hubs. A significant benefit of sharding has been to decrease the computational burden by parting or dividing the organization into shards or sections. This would, thus, speed up network limit. Close to convention utilizes a sale framework to pick validators each age around like clockwork, and validators who have more huge stakes have more impact in the agreement cycle. Close to protocol price predictions, market sentiment. With a sort of high unpredictability included, anticipating or giving a gauge of the fate of a cryptographic money has consistently represented a test in any event for the best of specialists or the dealer local area. A portion of the famous specialists have made the accompanying near cost expectations for working with monetary choices by financial backers. Close to protocol price forecast 2022 to 2026. Assumptions from blockchain norms make certain to fill considering the previous pandemic toward the finish of 2022, as per the new information report of Moody. Close to protocol digital currency is the third biggest cryptographic money, and by 2023, it is searching for some progressions. Going by the verifiable information, future cost patterns, and our crypto coin cost forecast, the Near protocol cost might come to the $10 mark this year with its unions and accomplices on a development binge, keeping fingers crossed. The ongoing cost of Near protocol remains at $10.50 with a market cap of $6,788,602,686.69 and a 24-hour exchanging volume of $879,909,917.58. The ongoing coursing supply of Near protocol remains at 645,747,533 Near. Close to protocol price prediction 2022. Keeping up couple with a similar bullish pattern, there are expectations that the Near protocol token is ready for a rise sign even in the following year, i.e., 2022. Following the moving example, particularly the manner in which it exchanges inside the limits of a balanced triangle on the hourly outline, the Near coin worth could run parallelly on a similar bullish pattern lines contacting in the scope of $12-15. Close to protocol price prediction 2023. Going by the insight about more limited and longer cost patterns, almost certainly, the finish of 2022 or the year 2023 may not be entirely ideal for the Near coinist team, particularly with rivals making up for lost time, the intensity, or the market reflecting monstrous instability. There is an anticipated possibility of Near costs causing a misfortune, showing some opposition yet just small, dropping to a help level of $16.52 once more. Close to protocol price prediction 2024. There is no such thing as expressing that a stunning chance on the lookout and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is indeed expected that Near protocol will govern the crypto coin realm with a presentation of cost fixed at $17.92. This is comparable to the very that was anticipated toward the year's end 2021 in the news, which shows Near coin cost has maximum capacity going by the example to support as well as could reliably fill even in antagonistic circumstances. Close to protocol price prediction 2025. This year could stamp the benchmark year as the cost of the Near protocol is anticipated to outperform a normal of $17.92 definitely. This year, no pivotal variables like pandemics or downturn are supposed to shake the foundations of world economies. It is normal that a large portion of the harm done would be making a course for fix work in every world economy and the crypto market. Close to protocol price prediction 2026. Dealers have begun wagering on the drawn-out cost of Near, following this token intently for putting away cash. Thus, cost expectations for Near coins for this entire year give very reassuring indications